New Height Analysis Tool. Height Analysis function can help users to detect the height of all planes in the model. First, define a datum or a plane for height analysis. Then the system will calculate automatically. Detection direction can be specified to positive, negative, or both sides. It also allows users to inquire the height dynamically. With Height Analysis Result function, users can view the last height analysis result. At the same time, users can add PMI or any other annotation when viewing the height analysis result. What's more, it allows users to specify a range to check the plane, and users can view the plane one by one according to the height. Thus, more detailed information can be checked, such as the number or position of the specified height plane. This new tool makes your work much easier.